if you need to turn off two-factor authentication for your Chase bank account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings, look for the security or privacy settings. This section will contain options related to your account security features, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be an option to disable or turn off this feature. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save any changes made. Once completed, log out of your account for security purposes. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Chase bank account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.